Alright, there's Abby and Kevin kayaking.
Can you show your best paddle style?
Yeah. We just went into the little cave area way back in there. I'll try to zoom in at the other people. Oh, getting some waves going on here. Can't do it. So Abby is our little adventurer. She loves the boat. We were going to try to do the cave jump, the cliff jump, but it's too many waves, so we're just chilling. We're in this little inlet along the ocean. It's beautiful. Historical. There was a historical battle here that he explained to us. We'll have to look the history up. And the water is incredibly blue.